Welcome back to Life is Beautiful with Hacks. Today, I've got 3 fun and easy DIY home hacks for you. First, let's turn an empty mineral water bottle into a creative flower pot. Super simple and eco-friendly. Just follow along in the video. Next, don't throw away those soda bottle caps. You can actually use them as a clever little lock for your cabinet. Watch closely. You'll love how practical this hack is. And for the bonus tip, I'll show you how to make a mini toothbrush holder for your bathroom using 6 bottles and a few recycled sticks. Arrange them in a circle, glue them together, and voila! You've got a stable and tidy rag to keep your toothbrushes in place. Three hacks, all budget-friendly, creative, and super useful at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life is Beautiful with Hacks for more clever ideas every week.